I bought a laser. Oh yeah. Cool, huh? Oh yeah. All kidding aside, a little shop update today on this Saturday. We're getting super close. We have our big donkey fan on the ceiling running. We've got power to our dual overhead bridge crane, and obviously we have our laser working. I've had this laser for close to 2 months now, waiting on the 3-phase to get dropped into the shop, which happened this last week around Wednesday, I believe. But anyways, we're getting everything hooked up. I'm getting this upright system, the railing for the bridge crane clean so we can get it painted, so we can move all of our tooling over here so we can get to work. I got some big equipment coming in here in the next couple of weeks that I'm very excited about. It's really going to expand this business. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching.